The diagram below is a Frustum of a rectangular pyramid with a base 14 centimeters long and 10 centimeters wide. The top of the Frustum is 8 centimeters and 4 centimeters wide. Given that the height of the Frustum is 11.4 centimeters, calculate its volume. So this Frustum we have here, it is a rectangular base Frustum. So for the rectangular base Frustum, we need to know its original shape. So it came from the rectangular base pyramid. So now how do we calculate volume of the rectangular base pyramid? It is calculated by V equal to 1 over 3 L times B times height. So that's the formula we should apply. So now for us to apply this formula, we need to know capital letter H and small letter h. Small letter h, it is the one that is coming from the part which was removed. So let's extend this part. So this is the removed parts. So this is the removed part. Now this removed part comes with a small letter h. Then it has 4 centimeters, which is equal to B. Then a small letter L equal to 8 centimeters. Then this is capital letter L. Then this is capital letter B. So now for capital letter H, which is the height of the larger pyramid, we need to add. So we are going to add the height of the Frustum, which is 11.4, to small letter h. So now to calculate this small letter h, we need to apply ratios where small letter h is corresponding to capital letter H. As for length and breadth, we need to choose one letter. If we stick to B, then we'll say small letter B corresponds to capital letter B. If we stick to L, then we'll say small letter L corresponds to capital letter L. So in our case, we are going to use L. So we'll say small letter h corresponds to capital letter H, which is equal to small letter L corresponds to capital letter L. We are looking for small letter h. So this one will be our subject. What is capital letter H? It is 11.4 plus small letter h, which is equal to small letter L, it's 8 over capital letter L, which is 14. So at this stage, we need to cross multiply. So I will say 14 times h, which is 14h, equal to 8 times 11.4, which is the 91.2. 91.2. You are free to use calculators. Then 8 times h, which is equal to 8h. So since we are solving for h, so we need to correct the like terms. This will be 14h. This is positive. When it crosses the equal sign, it will become negative. So it will be minus 8h equal to 91.2. So now what is the 14 minus 8? So this will give us 6. H, which is equal to 91.2. So we need to divide both sides by 6, which is equal to, so 6 into 91.2. Just have to take advantage of a calculator here. So when we divide, we are getting 15.2 centimeters. So this is our small rate h, or this is our small height. So now let's gather data. So capital letter H will be equal to 11.4 plus small letter h, which we have calculated. So 11.4 plus 15.2. So capital letter H equal to 11.4 plus 15.2. We are getting 26.6. 26.6 centimeters. Then our small letter h, it's 15.2. 15.2. Okay, so from there we need to collect data like in terms of L and B. So small letter L we have 8 centimeters. Then capital letter L we have 14 centimeters. Small letter B we have 4 centimeters. Then capital letter B we have 10 centimeters. So this is the data we shall use to calculate the volume of the frustum. So we need to calculate the volume of this pyramid minus, we need to calculate the volume of this pyramid and the volume of the larger pyramid. Then we subtract the two. So the formula will be volume of the frustum equal to 1 over 3 LBH for the larger pyramid minus 1 over 3 LBH for the smaller pyramid. So we are going to factorize what is common here, which is 1/3. So volume of the frustum equal to 1 over 3 open bracket LBH minus LBH. So VF will be equal to 1 over 3 capital letter L, from the data it's 14. So 14 times capital letter B, 10, times capital letter H 26.6 minus small letter L, which is 8, times small letter B 4 times small letter H 15.2. So our VF will be equal to, so if you punch on your calculator 14 times 10 times 26.6, so your answer will be 3,724 minus 8 times 4 times 15.2, which is equal to 486. 486.4. So VF will be equal to, 1 over 3, open bracket, 3,724 minus 486.4. So this one will give us 3,237.6. So at this stage, we need to divide now 3 into 3,237.6, which will give us 1,079.2. So it's 1,079.2 cubic centimeters. So this is how you should answer when you are given to find the volume of the frustum of the rectangular base pyramids. Rectangular base pyramid. Thank you for watching. This is Mr. Mrenga E. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos in mathematics and physics for all grades, starting from grade 7 up to grade 12.